this new Model R is the ability to customise this machine to your unique needs. We know everybody's lawn is different, and the beauty of this is we can add a whole suite of different accessories and options to this machine to customise it to your unique needs, so this machine performs best on your property. Today we're going to go through the whole suite of accessories available for the new Model R. To start with, we're going to start with the 3 different blade options we're lucky enough to have on offer here in Australia. So we have 3 different styles available for different applications here. We have a vast range of different mowing conditions here in Australia. So today I'm going to attempt to go through the pros and cons of each different blade system. To start with, to get to the blade system, I'm going to show you one of the key features of a Walker mower, and that is the ability to easily tilt the deck up to get to the underneath of the deck. Let me show you how easy it is. On this new Model R, the easiest way to tilt the deck up is starting from sitting in the operator's seat like I am now. You then use your feet to unlatch these 2 latches here, which will allow the deck to unlatch, and as you stand up, the deck will go down into a lower position and lock down there. Once it is down in that position, you use this lever bar here, which is conveniently located at the front of the deck to assist you in the lifting of this deck. This gives you a great amount of leverage to tilt the deck up with ease. There is then 2 safety latches here at the rear that will allow this deck to sit in this raised position very, very safely. So the first blade system I'm going to show you is this standard Walker mulch kit. This kit is a very cost-effective kit. At time of taking this video, this kit was retailing in Australia for approximately $150. This kit comprises of this gator style blade system, as well as this mulch plug, which can be very easily removed. This mulch plug is only held in place by 4 bolts, which can easily be removed by a 7/16 socket. That, combined with the ability to tilt the deck up, allows for this system to change between side discharge and mulch very, very quickly. This gator style blade system works well in most conditions here in Australia. Most grass types it works quite well with. If you are wanting to get into long grass mowing, long grass slashing, we suggest you use the standard side discharge blades. These blades will cut the grass fine, but because of their serrated flute, they do not have as much lift and will not discharge the volume of grass or lift the grass to be cut as well as the standard side discharge blade. Your Model R will come standard with the standard side discharge blades, so keep those blades if you do need to do any side discharging. But these blades do a very, very fine mulch, and they are very, very cost effective. They are also quite robust, allowing you to get into some rougher situations as well. The next blade system I want to show you is what we call the recut blade system. This system was designed specifically for use in the Southern Hemisphere. All the design and testing of this blade kit was done here in the Southern Hemisphere, as our grass conditions here in the Southern Hemisphere are significantly different from the Northern Hemisphere, particularly in North America, where most blade systems are designed and tested. We call it the recut system because we're wanting to differentiate between this and your standard mulch system. The reason we call it the recut system is it does tend to recut the grass a lot of times before the clippings are then dispersed back into the grass. This does result in a very, very fine, even disbursement of grass clippings. We'll now fit this up and show you. So as you can see fitted up here, you can see how this system works. You have a carrier bar with 2 swinging blade tips. As you can see, if you do hit something nasty, these blade tips will swing back out of the road, limiting the amount of damage done on the unfortunate situation of debris impact. The upper blade here cuts the grass finer. That's what we call the recut blade. It continues to cut the grass finer and finer, trying to give you an even disbursement of clippings. This kit comprises of this carrier bar, the blades, and also this mulch plug here, which is easily removed by 4 bolts. That, combined with the ability to tilt your deck up at 90 degrees, makes it very easy to change this system from side discharge to mulch. These blades also work very well inside discharge, as they still do have quite a flute on the blade. They still do spread the clippings quite well. So this is a great versatile system if you have a manicured lawn around the house where you're wanting the super fine clippings around the house, but then you've got a back paddock as well where you're wanting to go out in the back paddock and cut some long grass, and know you've got the reassurance here of having swing back blades that will limit the amount of damage done to your system in the event of impact. So that's the pros of it. It does deliver the ultimate mulch, the ultimate fine cut. It is more expensive than the standard American mulch style system. At the time of filming this video, this recut kit sold in Australia for approximately $430. But if you have the right application, you'll be very, very happy with the results this blade kit delivered. This blade system here is a standard side discharge blade system that your Model R will come with. This blade system doesn't have the ability to mulch, but has got incredible ability to go through thick, long grass. The way this deck clears in conjunction with this blades is incredible. It does have quite a lot of lift on the blade, as you can see here, which does give you an awesome ability to go through incredibly long grass and discharge it very, very well out the side. This is also a very robust blade design and does deliver some incredible results.